One of the best ways to figure out whether to buy something or not is to find out what others who have already bought it think about it. And that's what we are doing in this video for the OURA Ring 4. We've taken real reviews from verified buyers of the OURA Ring 4 on Amazon, people who actually bought it and used it. From people who have given 5-star ratings to those who have given a 1-star rating, we have gone through them all to find out whether the OURA Ring 4 is worth your money or not. So let's start with the folks who absolutely love this OURA Ring 4. The 5-star reviewers are full of praise, especially when it comes to sleep tracking, design, and how seamlessly the OURA Ring fits into daily life. One buyer said, "It's incredibly accurate with sleep and recovery metrics. I used to rely on my smartwatch, but this is on a different level." That sentiment showed up a lot. People are ditching bulkier wearables for the comfort and subtlety of the OURA Ring. Another reviewer said, "I don't even notice I'm wearing it, yet it gives me so much valuable data." That combination, lightweight form and deep insights, was a huge win for many. Several users highlighted the readiness score as a standout feature. One said, "It helps me make smarter decisions about working out, pushing myself, or taking a rest day." Another appreciated how the app visualizes data in a way that's easy to digest. And yes, style matters. Reviewers repeatedly called out how it actually looks like a normal ring. One customer summed it up perfectly. "It's sleek, stylish, and doesn't scream, 'I'm tracking my health.'" But even the happiest customers had minor suggestions. And that's where the 4-star reviews come in. Many praised the ring's functionality, but pointed out subscription fatigue. One reviewer said, "It's frustrating that after paying this much for the ring, I still have to pay monthly to unlock features." That complaint popped up quite a bit. Another buyer said the sizing kit is useful, but figuring out your actual fit can still take some trial and error. A couple people mentioned ordering 2 sizes just to be sure. Battery life got some 4-star scrutiny. "It's fine, not amazing," one person said. "I get about 4 days per charge, which is less than what I expected." Still, most agreed charging was quick and easy. Overall, 4-star users loved the experience but felt a few business decisions like the subscription held it back from greatness. Now the 3-star crowd had a more mixed experience. One reviewer said, "I love the concept, and when it works, it's great, but the data isn't always consistent." That came up a few times. Data accuracy sometimes varied, especially during intense workouts or naps. Another user mentioned, "It's fine if you want basic tracking, but if you're into detailed fitness metrics, this might not cut it." A few also pointed out app bugs or occasional syncing issues. A common thread in 3-star reviews was the idea that the OURA Ring 4 is good but not amazing, especially for the price. One person put it bluntly, "It's stylish, it works okay, but for what I paid, I expected more reliability." Now let's step into the 2-star territory. The tone shifts here. These buyers felt let down. One reviewer wrote, "It stopped tracking sleep after a month, and customer service was no help." That's a bad combination, faulty function and weak support. Another complained that the data just didn't match up with other trackers. "I wore it alongside my Garmin and Fitbit. The OURA Ring was way off." There were also complaints about the ring being uncomfortable during sleep or workouts for some hand shapes. A few called out the lack of in-app improvements. One said, "The updates are minimal and they haven't added any major features since I bought it." Several were frustrated that for the price they still had to deal with a $6 monthly fee just to access most features. Now we come to the 1-star reviews. And yeah, these people are not at all happy. The biggest anger point, the subscription. One furious reviewer said paying over $300 for a ring and then having to pay every month is ridiculous. That's probably the most repeated 1-star complaint. Another buyer said theirs broke within weeks and getting a replacement was like pulling teeth. Support responsiveness seemed hit or miss depending on the reviewer. Some buyers reported issues with charging. It randomly stopped charging and now is just a very expensive paperweight. Others had syncing issues that made them give up entirely, and for a few the fit was just wrong no matter what they tried. The sizing kit didn't help, and the ring either fell off or cut off my circulation. So what's the final verdict? The OURA Ring 4 is ideal for someone who values discreet, stylish health tracking, especially sleep and recovery metrics. If you want something that blends into your daily life without screens or buzzers, this ring nails it. But you need to be okay with a subscription. You should expect a learning curve when it comes to sizing and interpreting data. On the flip side, if you're a hardcore athlete looking for precision metrics, or if you hate monthly fees, this might not be the best fit. If this product didn't check every box for you, you might want to check out the Whoop 4.0 for more fitness-focused tracking. You also have the Fitbit Charge 6 for an affordable all-in-one, or finally the Apple Watch Series 9 if you want broader smartwatch capabilities. All links for all these products, including the OURA Ring 4, are in the description. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, drop your own experience in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Up On Top for more product reviews that are no nonsense and directly from people who have bought it. If you want to support the channel, we've got affiliate links in the description. No extra cost to you, but it helps us keep digging through reviews so you don't have to. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.